Sustainable Aviation Fuel, SAF, is a type of biofuel that is produced from renewable resources and is considered more environmentally friendly compared to conventional fossil fuels used in aviation. Here are some key points about sustainable aviation fuel. Renewable resources. SAF is typically made from renewable feedstocks such as plant oils, agricultural residues, algae, and waste materials. These feedstocks are considered sustainable because they can be replenished over time, unlike finite fossil fuels. Reduced greenhouse gas emissions. SAF has the potential to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional aviation fuels derived from crude oil. When produced and used correctly, SAF can result in lower carbon dioxide, CO2 emissions, and other harmful pollutants. Compatibility with existing aircraft and infrastructure. SAF can be blended with conventional jet fuel and used in existing aircraft engines without requiring modifications to the aircraft or infrastructure. This makes it a viable option for reducing emissions from the aviation sector in the short to medium term. Certification and standards. SAF must meet certain certification and quality standards to ensure its safety and compatibility with aircraft engines. Organizations such as ASTM International and the International Air Transport Association, IATA, have established specifications and guidelines for the production, blending, and use of SAF. Market adoption and incentives. The adoption of SAF in the aviation industry is still relatively limited due to factors such as high production costs and limited availability. However, governments, airlines, and industry stakeholders are increasingly investing in research, development, and production of SAF and offering incentives and subsidies to promote its use. Long-term sustainability. While SAF offers environmental benefits compared to conventional aviation fuels, its long-term sustainability depends on factors such as the availability of feedstocks, land use considerations, and technological advancements in production processes. Efforts are underway to address these challenges and ensure the continued growth of the SAF industry. Overall, sustainable aviation fuel represents a promising solution for reducing the environmental impact of the aviation industry and transitioning towards a more sustainable and low-carbon future. Continued innovation, investment, and collaboration are needed to accelerate the adoption of SAF and achieve meaningful reductions in aviation emissions.